Being 15, I find it difficult to find the balance between health and social. How do I stop stressing?
That's so tough because I wasn't stressing over health when I was 15. I was just being active. I was playing sports. Like I wasn't going to the gym lifting weights or anything. I wasn't on a diet. I mean, I wish I kind of was. I mean, to think back, like I would.
You could have eaten healthier.
I don't know if I would have wished I was because like I lived the young lifestyle, which I wouldn't want to take that away from anybody. So don't try to be a perfectionist at 15. It's just live your life. Remember, you're a kid, and I know you're still young, and you won't get it until you get to like our old age. Like I remember when I was that age, but trust me, we were talking about this last night when we went out for a date, and we were talking about like in our 20s, like, when we were partying in the college days, and I was like, I would never take that back because that's just a phase of life.
We don't miss it. We're over it, but we would never want to do it again.
Yeah.
Like, you need to go through it, but then put it behind you at a certain point. I don't think there's any age that's too early to start eating healthy or caring about your health and fitness or working out. I don't know. It doesn't even have to be working out at 15. You could just be playing sports, and that's good enough for you. So I would say, just forget about dieting and working out, and right now just eat healthy and play sports and be active, And then when you get into your 20s and 30s, that's when you can actually like work out and be more diligent, and because it's more of like an adult thing to do. Just enjoy your youth while you have it, because it goes fast. We're telling you.
Stress, it's not worth the stress.
Don't
You're
stress.
still so young. You got so much ahead of you, so don't even worry about it.
Hang out with your friends, eat some junk food. It's all gonna be okay.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.